Reassemble the fuel injection pump in reverse order for disassembly. Assemble the barrel body. Tighten the bolts of the barrel guard and of the delivery valve evenly in 3 steps by the specified torque. Next, install the deflectors on both sides. Align the set marks of the rack, pinion, and plunger. Pay attention to set the marks and assemble them. Equip the rack and fit the stopper bolt of the rack. Turn the pump 180 degrees and install the pinion on the fuel injection pump. At this time, make sure align to set the mark of the rack and of pinion. Insert the spring and retainer. Next, insert the plunger. Make sure to align the set mark of the pinion and the plunger. After applying lube oil on the outside of the plunger guide, insert it into the fuel injection pump temporarily. Set the inserting tool of the plunger guide. In the same procedure as drawing out plunger guide, turn the pushing bolt of the exclusive tool clockwise and push the plunger guide. Then install the retainer and fix the plunger guide. Align the retainer cut with body notch and finish. After assembly, check if the rack moves smoothly.